My boy. Aleyküm selam. Oh.
Gidiyor işte.
Vay. Vay. Fresh trim.
See me like clearly. You can see me good, bro.
Yeah.
Hey, come, bro. We here, man. We're in nature. You guys can see. Everywhere. It's crazy. We're out from the city life. This is the city life there. It's the city life. You know, we put a bike. We came with a Dutch bike, as you guys can see there. Dutch bike's there. And we're Mr. T here, man. New cameraman, Mr. T. You know, we are here. Fresh stuff, bro. Fresh stuff in here, man. Fresh stuff. Look, bro. Look, you see that tomato there, man? It's crazy, isn't it? Too fresh, isn't it? Do you think it's done? It's good? Almost done. Like, you got the shed here. We need some weed. I'm joking, no weed. Don't get me banned, bro. It's just some. What is it? What is in here, man?
Biber, peppers, tomatoes.
Tomatoes. Oh my god. So, now what else do you grow here, man? What else?
Sweet corn. Oh, you grow some sweet corn,
Yeah.
pumpkin,
Mhm.
aubergine,
Aubergine, man.
mint leaves, grapes, karadut mu? Karadut da var.
Wow. This is very
Şey var.
this nature. Look. My friend's there. He wants to be part of the video because I'm too famous, you know. Come follow me, man. Follow me. Hello? Selamünaleyküm. Come, bro. Oh my god. Wow.
Hoş geldin abi.
Hoş bulduk.
Vay ekip vay hoş geldiniz. Sandalyemiz yok sizi ayakta kıslamak
Var
daha
sandalye ya oturacaklar.
Bahçeye özel video çekiyorum böyle Facebook'a işin yani.
Ya çek abi sorun değil.
Nasıl abi bahçe hayatı nasıl gidiyor?
Çok güzel abi.
Rahat
herkes-
gidiyor.
Güzel
Tavsiye eder misin millete?
tavsiye ederim.
Tavsiye edersin.
Tabii sevenlere.
Şimdi tavsiyede de Mesut Bey şimdi
Ali Bey gibi olursa olmaz yani.
Estağfurullah.
Haftada bir gelirse.
anladın da
Tamam.
bahçe şimdi yeşil ama bunun fidanı nasıl, ekimi nasıl onu anlatsana arkadaşlar onu dinlemek istiyorum senden.
Dinleyelim abi. Ay, İsim neydi abi?
Mesut.
Abi. Şimdi mesela kaç kedin var abi mesela burada?
Benim bir tane de bu bahçede büyüyenler. O annesi sadece.
Evet.
2 tane kedim var.
İsmi ne mesela onun?
Bunun Dilber.
Değil böyle. Mesela şimdi böyle şey yapsak gider mi? Yoksa
Yok bir şey yapmaz.
böyle şey yapabilir miyim?
Yavaştan.
Yavaştan
Söyle
mı?
ismini. Dilber söyle.
Dilber.
Dilber.
Şey yapıyor mu yani? Ah iyiymiş.
O bir şey yapıyor.
Küçükler
Burada
oyunu
burada.
çok güzel.
Senin
Ha, burada bak.
çaya içecek.
Gel
Aa
çay
küçük
iç.
bebek de var ya. Wow.
Onun yavrusu işte o.
Ey.
Ondan bir
Bu
kavga
ismi ne?
oluyor ki kavgayı tutacağız. Geleceksin.
Boncuk.
Boncuk ya.
Tut al elini.
Yok elini sevmez o.
Sevmez mi? Şöyle.
Demin kucakladım. Bir yaptırdım abi bir hoşuna
Wow.
gidiyor ki.
Ben yiyecek bir şeyler getirdim. Şey yapalım işte.
Evet.
Siz yediniz mi?
Ondan güzel. Ha bizim için öyle bir şey değil.
Tamam o zaman biz Tafa'yla şey yapacağız o zaman abi. Memnun oldum ben Emirkan.
Sen beni tanımıyor musun? Ben geldim dükkana senin kurban ayır dedin ya.
Kaç kere
Unuttun mu?
geldin dükkana ya?
Bir sefer geldim.
Bir sefer mi ondan mı?
Bayağı da
Çok
oldu
kişi
ama
geliyor
4-5
ya.
sene oldu.
Oldu mu be?
Babanla tanışıyoruz burada devamlı da.
Geliyor ben dükkanda oluyorum çoğunlukla
Evet.
işte. Babam geliyor.
Ha, oğlum,
Tamam inşallah abi. Dükkana geri görüşürüz inşallah. Çay içeriz.
İnşallah abi.
Eyvallah. Sağ
Hadi
ol.
görüşürüz.
Sağ ol. Buradayız. What's on bro? With the mic on? Hey bro. See? You see? Got onions too here man. Can you explain the onions bro?
What do you want me to explain? The
Like
onions.
how does it, is it good man? Let me see just like
Yeah.
record with the family like with the onions bro. Is it good?
It's very good.
Is good onions good for you bro?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, bro. So, as you guys can see, man, with the diet as well, I explained in the last video. 150 days right now, no chocolates, no drinks, nothing. We're out here as well. But it's the best way, man. Just get out of the other world and what is that? Sunflower seed? Where?
This.
Dang. This where the sunflower come, man.
Yeah, this where the sunflower seeds come from.
Damn, bro.
Not them.
All right, bro. I'm gonna transition to where we eat, man. It's good. It's good. We record.
Ne?
Like a date, innit? Tea is crazy, man. See that shit? Bismillah. Tea is crazy good, bro. Bismillah. Bro, guys, water is a great source of protein. If water has protein, bro, I'd be dead by now because I drink too much water. Huh?
Çakma.
Çakmak. No, şurada. Sen de mi istiyorsun?
Yok şey o sen.
Oh.
Yeah, this one's best.
Is it? Try that one. Bence bir daha kağıt yap ya.
Ya kağıt mı?
Hı?
Kağıt mı işte?
Yeah. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim Maliki Yevmiddin İyyâke na'budu ve iyyâke nesta'in ihdinas sıratal müstakîm sıratal lezîne en'amte aleyhim gayril mağdûbi aleyhim veleddâllîn. Ya Allah. Brothers, welcome back to another video. Today we are in an apocalypse. Wait, is my microphone working? You can see. Do you want to show some food? I mean, I cannot show you that I'm eating right now because, bro, people in Palestine cannot see and cannot find the food, man. It's like, bro, you need to be respectful, man. But come, let me show you what's happened to the idea, bro. This is.
It's good, it's good.
Kapattın mı? Oh, hell no. The fire's gone, but that fire gonna carry on with them, bro. Alright. So brother here is gonna put the fire on now. You guys can see. Brother Mr. T here. This is the fire. Prayer 5 times a day, man. Prayer 5 times a day. Very important, guys. Very important. Guys, we're here to Mr. T. How are you, Mr. T? You alright?
Very good, alhamdulillah.
Introduce yourself to the family, bro.
Assalamu alaikum, brothers. I am Talha. Yes. Talha. Yes, that's me.
Explain like a little bit.
Explain what?
Like your life, what's going on, bro.
I mean, I'm a uni student, just living life. Huh?
Like Mike.
Oh, yeah, I'm just a student, chilling in London. I'm just living life.
You're producing tomatoes here?
Yeah.
Explain this tomato to the people, bro. Like, this is organic shit.
Yeah, this is real organic tomatoes. Nice and fresh, just freshly picked up. Just an hour ago. Fresh. Very nice.
The one that you get from the market is fake, bro. This one's real stuff, bro.
This is real.
See that, bro? You guys can see.
And fresh.
This is the stuff, bro. See that? Bigger. At least have 5 holes here, so it's a real thing. Not 2 holes, bro. That's fake ass shit. You got any more organic stuff?
Yeah. Got the other tomatoes.
Oh.
Got this.
This one looked like a paprika, but like, you know, the color, you can see from the color as well. It is good. Tomatoes. It looks like a bell pepper, man. Got pepper, organic pepper here. Biber. Let me see, get one. Biber. See, make some element with this. Crazy shit, you know. Crazy stuff. Go a bit lighter version, spicy one. Guys can see. Yeah.
apples.
Apples. Got apple, bro. Got apple. See, bro. Apple.
Apples. Great.
Final question, Tala, for the video. What is your life goal, Tala? What is your life goal like? What is your final goal before getting out of the earth?
Getting out of Earth. Basically marry, have a couple kids. You get me? Complete half my deen. Get married. That's the main. That's the first goal.
like should like approach a girl to marry, or like the girl should approach them?
Doesn't really matter, to be honest.
But do you
think the girl will
approach first, or the guy will approach?
Probably the guy.
The guy.
I don't know. I'm not too experienced with stuff like this, so I don't know.
When is it happening? Like the marriage and stuff?
In a couple years, inshallah.
Years.
What about you?
So what are you studying now? What are you studying?
I'm doing accounting and finance. Good.
You're last year.
Yes.
Yes. After you finish, if you guys anyone interested in Talha, you can contact me on my IG, bro. I'm giving him his IG.
Yeah.
He's a good-looking guy, bro. Smart guy, intelligent, smart, clean. He prays, bro. Yeah, he plays. Yeah, PS4, right?
Yeah.
PS4 GTA, bro. He's a good guy. What else, bro? Ne yapıyorsun başkanım?
Ne bileyim. Okula gideceğim işte.
He goes to school, bro, last year. After that, he's gonna make good money. He's rich, bro. Like, he's gonna be rich. Don't worry, like. So trust in him, bro. We're drinking this tea for Lil Tay, bro. Lil Tay passed away. Crazy, you know? Lil Tay. You know, yeah.
I heard that she had like some stuff going on.
Yeah, bro. She passed away, bro. Fortunately, we're drinking this tea for her, bro.
Jim?
Nah.
Sure. Very nice.
Let's close the video, Tala.
From my own bucket as well. Very nice.
Wait, give me that green apple.
Oh.
Oh no, I have a green apple. Bye.